Hello, welcome to Not for Exam, and I am your host Sujit, and we are going to discuss principle of angular momentum conservation. We know that for any system of particles or any rigid body, net torque about a point O, tau vector is equal to rate of change of net angular momentum about the point O, and net torque about center of mass, tau cm vector of a system of particles is equal to rate of change of angular momentum about the center of mass. Also, we can see that if tau vector is 0, then LO vector will be constant. This is the principle of conservation of angular momentum. Also, if torque about center of mass is 0, then angular momentum about center of mass will be constant. That is to say that principle of conservation of angular momentum is also true with respect to center of mass. If tau vector is tau xi cap plus tau yj cap plus tau z k cap, and LO vector is Lxi cap plus Lyj cap and Lz k cap, and if tau x is equal to 0, then Lx will be constant, and if tau y 0, then Ly constant, and if tau z 0, then Lz will be constant. And also if tau vector dot n cap is 0, then LO vector dot n cap will be constant. So if component of torque along an axis is 0, then angular momentum along that axis will be conserved. Let apply this conservation principle for angular momentum in the following examples. Let in this example there are two disks D1 and D2 of mass m1 and radius r1 and mass m2 and radius r2 respectively, which are free to rotate about their axis. Disk D1 is rotating with angular velocity omega naught initially, and disk D2 is placed on it from rest. We want to find out the angular velocity of the combined system. Since friction is the internal force, so its net torque will be 0 about the axis, and therefore there will be no torque along the axis. Therefore, by principle of conservation of angular momentum, net angular momentum will be constant about the same axis. Therefore, net initial angular momentum about the axis will be equal to net final angular momentum about the same axis. Therefore, in this example, I1 into omega naught plus I2 into 0 is equal to I1 plus I2 into omega. From here, omega can be found very easily. Let's see another example. Let a uniform disk of mass m and radius r is moving on the x-axis, and the velocity of its center of mass is v1, and angular velocity about its center of mass axis is omega 1. We want to find out net angular momentum of the disk about the origin. By using the relation LO vector is equal to LCM vector plus R vector cross P vector, we will get LO vector is equal to minus I omega 1 k cap minus R into M into V1 k cap. Thanks for watching Not for Exam, and we will see you next time.